Oh look! There's one strawberry left. Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we have some fall crop to harvest and I thought I'd bring you along. Because we have a lot of green beans all over the place. Oops, I dropped some. Someone chewed on this thing. See. It's a little small. Here's another one. Other side. But I think we have to go on the other side. It's easier to pick up over there. Here are also my turnips. They're growing pretty good. Some radishes are coming. Some more peas. Let's take this one. Let's get these into the bowl. There are also some good ones here, but I'm too small, so I have to wait until my husband is home. Get this one. Oh, it's split. Crikey. Ding dang. How about this one? They're all split. This one looks okay. The oranges are getting there. And the lemons. Just found 2 more limes. Taking these. Ooh, they're smelling good. And here are my green onions. I totally forgot about them. So let's get them out. Oh, if I can do it with one hand. No, let's wait. Whoa. Get out. Boy. What? Gotcha. Come on. This one was easy. All right. I also wanted to show you my pineapple plants. I have one over here, one over here, and I grow them in 15-gallon root pouches. And here are my seedlings. I thought I brought them out today. The last days was too hot, it was in the upper 80s, but today it was good. And I have cabbage, spinach, salad, broccoli and Brussels sprouts in here. Okay, so let's get this in and washed and cleaned. And then we cut the green onions, bake them and freeze them. And we also have a little afternoon snack. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!